One way to think about it that I really like the explanation of, this was initially explained to me, I think, by one of the core Bitcoin developer folks, is that it's like an immune system, basically. So the amount of stuff and the amount of attempts that go after an open source system because it's open is greater, and the amount of eyes on it and the amount of people looking to fix it is greater. So if it's open source, you can switch out one implementer for another implementer. You don't like how they implement it, you can keep your system, get another implementer.
I think it also enables you to push for interoperability. So the more open source software companies are using, individuals are using, the more momentum there is toward creating interoperability.
And then there needs to be another open source kind of middleware interoperability layer at a low level, at the protocol level, connecting all these different blockchain technologies.
And we leverage Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol to showcase that we can interoperate across permission and public chains. We do regular SCA vulnerability scans on any open source software that we use in all of our existing services.
So we try to open source as much as we can. If you work on something with a big institution or something, or you have some other key features that maybe for some reason you don't want open source, that's a kind of uncommon thing. But generally the direction is to be as open source as possible.
I guess that from my point of view, as Kaleido, as being a maintainer of Hyperledger Besu, having contributed with Hyperledger Firefly and also being maintainers of Hyperledger Firefly, I think a really important role here is to try to make sure that you are actively contributing to the open source software that you have delivered, right? So there are projects that are just pushing their code to a repo and it lives there forever. So it's really, really important to have an active community trying to create new features to that software, and also having people that are actively maintaining that code to make sure that it has a roadmap and that the product can survive for the future. Because if we are all working with regulated entities, so it's really, really important to have an active community trying to create new features to that software, and also having people that are actively maintaining that code to make sure that it has a roadmap and that the product can survive for the future.